The old typewriter in my attic never worked, its keys frozen by decades of dust. Tonight, as thunder rattled the windows, I heard a clack, then another. I crept closer. The carriage slid on its own, spitting out a yellowed page letter by letter. I watched, heart hammering as it typed, "I see you." The keys paused, then struck again. "Turn around." Paralyzed, I obeyed. Behind me, shadows twisted into the shape of a man with hollow eyes and ink-stained fingers. The typewriter's bell chimed one last time. The final message read, "Now you're next."